morning. Just wanted to hop in and do a little formal good morning. It's actually not morning anymore. It's 11:37, so we're getting into the middle of the day, noon. I've just really been kind of productive this morning, looking at analytics, you know, all the really exciting things. I need to get ready for the day, so I'm going to do that, and I'm gonna make a to-do list really quick for the day, which includes some wedding planning stuff. We're gonna have, I'm about to go over to my mom's house and we're going to do some wedding planning, getting married with just our parents, and then when we get back from Cancun, it's going to be all of our family over at my parents' house, and we're doing like a little reception slash like party so we can all celebrate together. It's still a lot of planning. Wedding planning in general is just a lot of work. So that is what we're doing. We still have like 5 more months. That is my plan today. Let's go ahead and get a little to-do list started. I'm still in my PJs. Yeah, I really need to get ready for today. But let's go ahead and start a to-do list and see what we can get done so we can be productive. So I have my handy dandy notebook. I have a list of stuff I need to get done for videos. And I started my list for wedding planning. Also, you can't read. Okay, there's a squirrel. And that you also can't read, but I'm gonna start my to-do list for today. So here is the list I created. I need to, okay, I see there's a squirrel, thank you. I need to get our passports scanned and email them to our wedding planner. I need to set up our Knot website so that we can put those on our invites. I want to do some like acrylic signs for like the drinks and different stations. I'm gonna look at some formal invites online to get an idea of what we want. I really want to create like a Canva like little thing for our families so they know like our color schemes, kind of have a color scheme for everyone to wear with examples from Pinterest. So I'm gonna create one of those. We're gonna do a balloon arch. So I'm looking at balloons with different textures like matte, shiny, things like that, different kind of sizes and colors. Oh, I must have written acrylic signs twice. And then there is a dress that I really want to try on from David's Bridal. So if I have time today, we might go try that on.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hope.
Alright, so here is my to-do list for today. I'm about to get ready and do that right now. Then I'm gonna meet my lunch with mom. I'm gonna have lunch with my mom. We're gonna do all of the wedding planning fun and looking at what we need to do. I need to finish prepping another YouTube video that I want to film. Then I want to film that video, and at some point I'd like to lay out, get some sun. Maybe this might be before all this. I'm not sure yet. If I don't lay out today, I definitely want to lay out tomorrow because it's finally sunny in Texas. It's been raining a lot. So, all right, I think that I'm going to not get ready first. I think I'm just gonna head over and lay out and eat lunch at my mom's, and we'll do wedding planning stuff, and then I think I might come back and then get ready and film the video just because I prefer to get some sun and be tan and all of that jazz. All right, I think I'm going to wear this swimsuit from Zoffel. It is a black velvet kind of swimsuit. It's pretty cheeky, but I'm just gonna be at my parents' house and I want a good amount of sun. So I'm gonna throw this on really quick. All right, here is the swimsuit. It's just like a basic bikini look, and it's velvety and it's pretty cheeky, but I have a whole Zoffel swim haul if you want to check out and see the rest of the pieces that I got.
Just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. feel so far away.